Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 Mitsubishi Express, stock number 6333. This ran from the 3rd 2020 to the 12th 2022. It has a M9R 2-litre diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is an M9R 2-litre diesel turbo engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, front bonnet no dents, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear taillight, automatic gear shifter, touchscreen stereo, heated AC controls, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster, right front sun visor, front courtesy light, left front sun visor,